name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm so happy and excited because I'm gonna be sharing with you 6 Dollar Tree DIYs that I made, and I love how they turned out, and I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. And guys, if you like this video and you want to recreate something that I did on this video or any video, please don't feel like you need to go to any store to buy things. Try to use things that you have already at home. Try to reuse and have fun, make some craft, and stay home. Stay safe. I just want you to have a fun time with your kids, with your family, making some crafts, DIYs, using things that you already have at home. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna be sharing so many like fun DIYs that you can make with your kids and family. You can follow me there, DIY by Jazz, as well as my Facebook page. I'm gonna be uploading so many videos so you can have like a fun time watching videos in these moments, and try to stay home. So yeah, if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And let's get started to this Dollar Tree DIYs. Okay guys, so for the first project, I will be using 2 of these out of funnels from Dollar Tree. You can use these ones, or you maybe have something at home that is similar, so just be creative. And the first thing you should do is to cut the plastic edge that protrudes from the bottom of the funnel with my Dremel. And just in case you are asking, I get this tool from Amazon and I really love it. It works perfect to make so many DIYs at home. So if you are interested, I'm gonna be leaving you the link in the description box of the video. The second step is going to be to cut the funnels because they are a little bit tall, so I'm gonna be cutting them into different sizes with my Dremel. Once they are cut, I will use the same Dremel. I'm going to put like a sandpaper to sand the edges of the funnel, and that way they are going to look smooth and straight. For the top, I'm going to put this glass bowl that comes in a set of 4 for only $1 at Dollar Tree, and I already had them at home. You can use so many things, and I'm going to glue them with my E6000 glue and hot glue to make sure that it's going to stick good and strong, and just let them dry. To paint them, I decide to use my ultra matte spray paint, and I'm going to give it like 1 or 2 coats of paint. And once your candle holders are dry, you can put the candles on the top, or maybe you can put like foam inside of the glass bowl to insert flowers or greenery, and I think they're going to look super cute too. And I just love this first DIY. It is super easy and budget friendly to do. For my second project, I'm gonna be using one of these photo frames. No matter the size or color that you have, everything is going to work anyways. So the first thing I should do is to separate all the parts of this photo frame, including the glass. Then you can paint your frame in any color you prefer, and I decided to use my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color, and I give it 2 coats of paint and let it dry. Once it is dry, I remove the clips, or I don't know, whatever they call that, it's in the back of the frame, with my tweezers, and then I will glue the glass to the frame with just a little bit of the E6000 glue, and then let it dry very well. From there, you can use a piece of paper or cardboard. I'm going to use this cardstock, and I cut it just a little bit smaller than the frame. And you can stick a branch with leaves that are dry. You can get this maybe on your backyard. And I'm going to stick it with hot glue. Then you can use maybe 4 small beads. I have these and I just paint them in black color, and then I'm going to stick them on the 4 edges of the cardstock with hot glue. To make the cardstock stronger, I'm going to cut the part that came with this photo frame the size of the cardstock, and I'm going to glue it. Finally, you just have to put just a little bit of glue on the beads, and then you can stick them on the glass of the frame, and that's all. You can hang this beautiful frame on the wall, or you can put it on any surface and it's going to look beautiful. You could also make a set with different types of leaves or maybe flower, because now it is spring, so you can use like dry flowers too, and it's going to look awesome. For the third project, and I love this one because you can use any jar that you have at home, I'm going to use this one that is from a container of vitamins. And the first thing you need to do is paint your container, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of paint with my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color, and let it dry. I want to make something different, and I want to create like patterns on my jar or container, and I'm gonna be using white paint, and I'm gonna be using Q-tips to paint all the patterns, and I think it's going to be easier this way because you can have more precision when you are creating lines than a brush. And don't worry, maybe it's not going to look perfect. Just try to have fun and relax doing this project. You can create so many patterns and shapes in different colors, different designs. You can do so many things like maybe lines, little dots, or maybe zigzags. Just have fun and be creative. Once you have your design, you can stick a little bit of jute cord on the top of the jar or the container to give it more texture, more color, and that way nobody's going to notice that this was a vitamin containers before. Inside you can put greenery or flowers, but I'm gonna be using this Dollar Tree onion grass that I have at home, and that's it. This is how you can make it fun and simple DIY using things that you have already at home. Plus, you don't have to spend extra money or leave your house to buy something at the store. For the next project, you will need 3 pieces of jute cord and wire that needs to be thin. And you must put all the pieces together and make a knot. And super easy, guys. You need to make a braid with your jute cord, and you need to make sure that you are making the braid with the wire. Once you're done, you should glue or tie another knot on the other end of the braid. Now you can write any word on a piece of paper, and I wrote hi, and then you just have to mold the braid to form the word. And I put hot glue on this plastic folder on the top of the word, and I have no idea why I did it. I don't know what I was thinking. I just I don't know, just don't make that mistake. Once you have the word ready, you can put Mod Podge on the top of the rope, so that way the DECOR is supposed to stick well and together, and let it dry, and then you can remove your word from the paper or the plastic folder that I use. You can burn the rope with a little bit of fire if you want to not have like that small hairs that comes out from the DECOR, and then you can leave it like this color, but I decide that I want my word to look a little bit darker, and for that I use some black paint and I paint all the rope, and that's it, guys. You can create any word using DECOR or maybe nautical rope to look a little bit thicker, and just add some wire to help you form any shape and make it stronger. And I really like this project, and this is how it's going to look. For the next project, you are going to need maybe 2 pieces of wood or 2 sticks that you have at home, but I'm gonna be using 2 of these Dollar Tree plungers that I already had at home, and I'm going to cut the ends so that way they're not going to look like plungers. I'm also going to use 6 of these giant like popsicle sticks that you can get at the Walmart, and these are going to be the steps to create a ladder. But to make it a little bit stronger, I'm going to glue 2 popsicle sticks together and have a total of 3 steps. Once you have that part ready, you can stick the popsicle sticks on the ladder, and you need to try to leave the same space between each step. Maybe you can use a ruler to measure and just be sure before gluing anything. Once you glue them, it is time to paint it, and I really want to highlight the natural wood, the natural color of the wood, and I'm gonna be using my Waverly Wax in Antique color, and I'm going to be painting 2/3 of the ladder in this color. And once it is dry, you can paint the rest of the ladder maybe in white, but I'm gonna be using black color in my Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to give it 1 coat of paint. And you can put a piece of tape on the plungers just to create like a perfect line between the difference of the 2 colors, and when the paint dries you can remove it. And my loves, this will be the result, and I really love how it looks. Remember that you can paint your ladder in the color you want and that you like the most, and you can hang a small towel and place it in the kitchen, maybe in the bathroom, next to your fireplace, and yeah, you have so many options and it's going to look great. Final project. I really want to make a garland with Dollar Tree supplies for a long time ago, but I don't want to use the regular beads that Dollar Tree has and paint them, and I found these wooden braid beads at Dollar Tree. Has the perfect color and brings 20 in just 1 package, and they are the same size. I get 2 packages, and I'm going to start placing the beads on a Dollar Tree jute cord. Once I finish my beads garland, I'm going to make 2 tassels for each end of the garland with the same jute cord, and I wound up 10 times in my hand and tied it and cut 1 end of the tassel, and then just have to tie 1 on each end of the garland. I hope that makes sense. And my loves, this will be the result of my garland, and I really love it. It cost me only $2 and it was so easy to make, have a great size, and I just love how it turned out. I love the color of the beads and I'm so happy with this project. And my loves, I just hope that you like today's video. They are super easy ideas to make at home on a budget and decorate your home with things that you like. And if you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which was your favorite project. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you share this video with friends and family. Remember to visit my Facebook page because I'm gonna be uploading so many videos there every week. And you can go also to my Instagram page, DIY by Jazz, and in the description box of the video I'm going to be leaving you the links of my social media pages. I love you so much. Hope you have a beautiful week and beautiful weekend at home, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.